Candle range theory (CRT) is the most powerful trading model with simple but accurate entry and exit rules. Let's first understand the basics. What is candle range theory (CRT)? The theory works on the premise that every candle forms a trading range which forms a pool of liquidity above the highs and below the lows. Here is how it works. First, we mark the candle range high and the candle range low. Above the candle range high and below the candle range low, there is a pool of liquidity in form of buy stops, sell stops, and stop losses. If price sweeps the candle range high and closes below it, there is a high probability that price will expand lower to seek the liquidity nested below the candle range low. On the flip side, if price sweeps below the candle range low and closes within the range, there is a high chance that the market will rally up to seek liquidity nested above the candle range high.